When applying to university, you're looking at somewhere that you not only are going to fit in, but also is going to stretch you academically. Portsmouth did both.
We're giving them the, if you like, nuts and bolts of everything they need to enable them to do that job.
What university allowed me to do was to find myself a little bit more, challenge my own thought process, and I don't think I would have grown into the person I am today without a university experience.
I was looking to retrain, and being able to do it for an apprenticeship obviously gives me a good solid sort of foundation of knowledge and an insight into an industry whilst having sort of secure salaries.
You can learn about damp and mould in a lecture on a Monday, and then on a Tuesday you can go and see it in a property or in a live situation, and that really enforces the learning.
We do have some great surveying equipment. We have things called total stations, which will pinpoint in 3 dimensions where your building is going to be and how we measure that.
Space is an incredible laboratory for exploring physics.
We all have the night sky above us. It's something that links everybody on the planet together.
This is part of a second-year module called Universe, Planetary Systems, Stars and Galaxies. We get our maths and physics students together and see the science we're learning actually in reality.
It's incredible to have these facilities in Portsmouth. It's an amazing opportunity.
I think for product design, the appeal for our students is whatever you feel like your strengths are, you can kind of lean into that a little bit. So if you prefer the CAD design and the modelling in there, you can enhance your skills in that. If you like the creativity and the design side of things, you can focus on your conceptual design work.
Engineering is about finding solutions to problems, and we encourage students to do that in a very practical and a very real way.
This is Projects Day. It's the culmination of their entire degree, so they get to show all of the talents, all of the information that they've learned over the last 3 or 4 years and package it in a project that's all their own.
I had someone from Dyson come in and he was wanting to implement my project into the Dyson Hoover. Having people from industry appreciate my project and wanting to implement it into their devices was really exciting, and it made me very proud.
I get a lot of support through the university. There's all the lecturers have quite an open door policy.
They had a real love and passion of each of their individual subjects. To see that things that seem very abstract actually have a very real life application was incredible.
You can always ask more questions. There's lots of online support and lots of online learning materials as well as in-person lectures.
I feel really happy to have trained people who had absolutely no knowledge in the construction industry to people now masters of the trade and ready to work in the industry.
My time at the university definitely did change me. It sort of built my confidence a lot. It created probably the enthusiasm that I have now because of seeing people who inspired me more so. I don't think there's any drawbacks to opening up your mind to new concepts, ever.